Hey, this is Ken, and we are not in my garage. We are at the Prosser VFW Post 3207 for their car show. I've got the Nightmare Mustang out here, sitting right beside Dave's blue Mustang. Beautiful car. And there's quite a few other gorgeous cars here. We'll just take a little walk around and show you what we got. Got a nice Bel Air here. Here's one you won't see much, a Rambler Rogue. That's, I believe, the only one in the state. Very clean 59 El Camino. Love the tonneau cover matching it. Take you out and around this Chevelle. There's a lot of people looking at it. It's very beautiful. Got a supercharger on it. All right, here we have an original Charger RT. It's kind of got the stink bug stance going, but they just picked it up not all that long ago. Still looks fairly original. It looks like this is a 1960 Deluxe Chevrolet. Got a little bit of dust and pollen on them because it's been blowing out here. It's not horrible, but a lot of wind. Let's go over here. Take a look in the trunk here. That's all stereo equipment. Amps, power supplies, the whole bit. I don't remember how many speakers were in here, but he said like 26. You can't see them, they're hidden well. A white 57. All right, let's head down this way. There's another El Camino. Here we have a nice clean red Malibu. I'm gonna guess 66, but I could be wrong. 65, I was wrong. Not much though. Take a look. There are two of these Fords with the glass roofs here today. Man, it's rare to see one, and we got two. I'm gonna say Nova. Yes, it is a Nova. General Lee showed up. Awesome. And I'm gonna say Galaxy. Are we correct? No, it's a Mercury Comet. Beautiful blue. Matched the valve covers and the spark plug wires to the blue. That's all good looking. Good looking interior. On the other side, Charger. I'm not up on Charger dates, so I can't even guess. 1970 it says on the registration. Thank you. It looks to be a stock Survivor. All right, we got a Charger. It's a 71. Another Mustang. And then when you first walk up to the Camaro, you think just Camaro. But when you get in the right light, I don't know if you guys will be able to see it, but let's see if we can get it. There are flames down the side. Can you see those? I hope you can. Maybe you can see them on the hood better because that's sparkling in the sun. Sherry's Mustang, that's nice looking. A couple of the cars have already left for the day. It's getting near the end of the show. I just wanted to get some video of some of the cars here. Nice Chevelle, it's got an LS swap, of course. Mustang, and we got one leaving. A Skylark Buick. All right, we're gonna walk over here for a second just because I want you to see the color of this car. I thought it was red earlier today. Then it looks root beer. And then it looks burgundy and cherry. That's cool. That's cool when your paint does that. Whether it's on purpose or not, that car seems to change color in the sun. All right, a couple El Caminos. And we get a Blazer. It's also LS swap. Get you up high so you can see it. Dirty and dusty because they obviously drive it. This is unusual. This is a Scout, but it's diesel. And it says turbo diesel. Let's see if we can find the turbo. See if it's got a big one or a little one. It's somewhere down there on the other side. I can't see it. Here we have a Apache Chevrolet. And it also looks to be kind of a survivor. All right, Mr. Christensen, he brought his Auburn boat tail out. That is not a replica, that is a real car.
Oh, it is. Thank you.
You certainly don't see those very often. Got a couple more cars on this side to show you, and then they've got some stuck on the other side. But the 55 Bel Air, very clean. Everything chrome down there. Nice clean interior. Let's go around it. I believe we have a Model A. And the reason this thing is cool, besides it's got a dog in it, is it's got the old flathead 4 still down there.
After that, my buddy built
And if you look up top, it's got the wooden top still up there. So that's pretty dang cool. You don't see many pastel green. All right, I'm gonna loop around front after looking at this beautiful Cobra. I believe it is. I believe it is. I believe it is. I believe it is. Jim McGowan's. Yep. All right. Mustang GT, actually, not Cobra. But I'll take you around out front and we'll take a look at cars out there. Let's go ahead and get the bikes while we're here. Boss Hog, Harley, the old Indian, an old Suzuki, and the new Indian. That's kind of cool having old and new here. 4-wheel drive, no doubt about it. Biggest one here probably. Fully decked out. Take a look at that. Not many Jeep Wagoneers are built like this. And it's spotlessly clean. I'll bet it never's been off-road, or at least when they take it off-road, they really clean it. This is also really unusual. That's a supercharged V8 sitting in that little Vega. Or no, I am sorry. I didn't mean to insult the Vega. It's not a Vega. At least I don't think so. Oh, it is a Vega. When I saw the fins on the side, I didn't think it was, but it is. All right, and then Camaro. And we got a coupe here. It's got an Oldsmobile Rocket in it. All right, that's different. That gets a thumbs up for approval for putting something other than small block Chevy. Here we have Mike's 55, and this is a beautiful car. You've probably seen it before. There's the underneath.
Okay, everybody.
This is also Mike's Camaro. Pickup. John's Mustang. You've seen this before. It has unique flames on it. And they are inside. There's actually a face in it. Goes on up inside. And a Camaro. And it is supercharged, LT4. You know, it would be an interesting thing to see this Mustang here and this Camaro go at it sometime. That would be cool. Well, that's all there is to the VFW car show here today. There has probably 5 or 6 cars have left, but the show's still going on. They give away some cool metal trophies. They look like pistons and the gears and all that sort of stuff. They give away a coaster just for coming here. So it's a nice event. And then they cater food. You get lunch. It's just a great show to go to. So if you're in Prosser this time of year, look it up. Find out when the show is. And I'll see you there. All right, get out and drive your stuff, guys and gals.